In this video, I'll show you how easy it is to replace the battery in your Nissan key fob. Perfect for models like Altima, Rogue, Sentra, Pathfinder, and more. Start by sliding the small lever on the back to release the physical key and setting it aside. Next, find the notch on the fob's side, insert a small flathead screwdriver or tweezers, and gently pry it open into two halves. One side contains the circuit board, the other the battery. Carefully lift out the old CR2032 battery, the same type used across most Nissan key fobs, and insert a new one. Hold it by the edges to avoid fingerprints and ensure it's seated snugly under the spring clips. Snap the two halves back together until they click and slide the physical key back into place. That's it. A quick at-home fix that saves a dealership trip. If this helped you, please give the video a like, share it with fellow Nissan drivers, and tell me in the comments which model you drive, so I can make more helpful guides.
Subscribe for more.